In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect headphones to After Effects. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up any model of headphones that you have with After Effects. So first, of course, you need to make sure that the connection between your headset or your headphones and your PC or laptop has been established. Most headphones will be connected over a 3.5mm audio cable, and all that you have to do is plug this cable into the headphone jack or headphone port into your computer. So find the headphone port available on your PC, either on the back of your case, in the front, or if you have a laptop, look on the sides. Once you find it and you plug it in, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the PC or laptop and After Effects through the headphones or the headset. Now, if you are still unsure on how to connect your model of headphones, I recommend reading the manual for your particular model. I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to troubleshoot this in this video. Once the connection has been established, go inside of After Effects and then choose the Edit option. So go to Edit and then Preferences. Inside of Preferences, you will be able to find Audio Hardware. So go to Audio Hardware and a new window will open. As the name suggests, this is where you will be able to manage what headphones are being used. So on the default output options, you will be able to select your particular model of headphones. As long as you connected them with the instructions that I gave you previously, you will be able to find them on the list, and once you do, just select them. Afterwards, make sure to choose OK, and now all of the audio being output on your After Effects project will be going over to the headphones that you connected. It's as simple as going over to the audio hardware settings and making sure that they are the default output device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect headphones After Effects. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.